In the annals of Greek mythology, the clash between Typhon and Zeus stands as a defining tale of titanic confrontation, pitting the furious might of the greatest of the Titans against the formidable power of the king of the gods. Typhon, a creature of unprecedented ferocity and chaos, rose from the depths of Tartarus, challenging the divine order and threatening to plunge the cosmos into unending turmoil. With a boundless fury that echoed through the heavens, Typhon unleashed his devastating power upon the world, inciting terror and upheaval in his wake. His towering from eclipsed the sun, and his baleful roar reverberated through the celestial terra, striking fear into the hearts of gods and mortals alike. Eager to preserve the sanctity of Mount Olympus and defend the realm of the divine, Zeus heeded the call to confront this tempestuous force, mustering his unsatisfiable courage and indomitable resolve. With his thunderbolts cracking with Incident's power, he ascended to meet the monstrous Titan in a climatic struggle that would resonate through the ages. As the titanic adversaries clashed amidst the tumultuous skies, the very earth shuddered beneath the bay of their conflict. Lightning rent the heavens, and cyclones of titanic force surged through the realms, marking the tumultuous threat of this epochal struggle. Thunderous clashes reverberated, mirroring the clash of indomitable wheels, as Zeus and Typhon contended for the fate of the world. In a stunning crescendo of divine might and raw elemental force, Zeus ultimately triumphed over the unruly Titan, subduing Typhon's unrestrained chaos and quelling the attempts of his fury. With a thunderous stork, Zeus vanquished the rampant force of Typhon, confining the defeated Titan beneath the way of Mount Etna, where his power lay subdued, though the echo of his rage continued to influence the world. This seminal clash, immortalized in the pantheon of myth, remains a timeless parable of the struggle between order and discord, the enduring power of courage in the face of adversity, and the eternal strive of the divine against the chaotic forces that seek to destabilize the cosmic balance. The tale of Zeus and Typhon, epitomizing the confrontation between the forces of order and the chaos of unbridled fury, casts a resplendent light upon the instruction of myth, morality, and the enduring legacy of the ancient world.